this time. 41135. 250x11. Oh, red number 19. That was on. Don't look at its neighbor, guys. Don't look at its neighbor. I looked. You're welcome to place your bets if you would like to play. Newcomers, you're welcome to join, guys. It's only like 20 minutes till 11. At least here in the house. Very early for a Friday. No one's going to sleep, right, guys? No one's working on a Saturday except here, right? 900x. Oh, the bronze medalist, number 3, red. Seriously, it was on. Huno? I know Huno. You are the top winner. Mr. Bozer, Vadim, Triple H, Sandokan. Alright. Ball is spinning, betting time ending. Oh, let's remember the good old days of dabbing, guys, yeah? Let's go. Dab brings us 3 lightning numbers, 6, 7, 11. My. Winning number, even number 2 black. Was on 6 numbers. Let's return again, yeah? Nice guy, done nice. 5,556 euros. 10 cents. I see it all in euros anyway, so no worries if you play with a different currency, no problemo. Come on. Give me that sweet multiplier action. Oh, something shiny. 1, 6, and 20. Shiny 500x on 6. The winning number, 28 black. Jag. Swagger Jagger for the top winner. Mr. Jag, it's you. They're trying to get that Jaguar money. Oh, wow. Tia is watching my back. I'm not sure. Is it T or Tia? Hey, nice to meet you. Nice. Grab a cup of tea. Let's play. Tia, me. Let's go. 19 and 25, 50x, 100x. Ladies and gentlemen, 10 is back. 10 black, it's back. Still a hot one. 1,300 winners. Hey, 20,000 almost. Guys, if you ever wondered, chat moderators, Tia's name is Tia or T, guys. Tia or T. The question is, I'm very sorry, maybe I'm the clueless one, but the question is it a lady or is it a gentleman? Because Tia, no, maybe it depends on the country where Tia is from. 31534. Ball lands on Zero's neighbor, 32 red. Zero's was on. What's the kind of winners? Arthur, you know what I have done? I called my pizzeria. I ordered and asked for a pizza non qualificazione. What is that? A deal or no deal pizza? Pizza doesn't qualify? What? How dare you take a pizza without me? How dare you? How dare you, sir? I haven't had a pizza in like 6 days. No shame. Shameless man. 18, 20, and 24. The winning number 35, black. That is a cold little cookie. Compliments to all the winners. So guys, Tigers, eyes on the prize. Tia is a lady, but rules are rules. Stay cool. They're watching us. How often do you eat pizza, Arthur? Kian, in 2021, I finally realized that my favorite dish is pizza. I know it's very cliche, but I realized, yeah, it is pizza. 11, 14, 35, pizza. Let's go. Ten is back. 10 black, it's back. 9 games, 3 10s. So 33% right there. 1,400 bonus compliments if you wish. Let's continue betting time. But yeah, Kian, to answer your question, I was eating pizza like every week. But now, for the past 2 months, I realized I gotta take a chill pill. Summer is coming, you know. Gotta relax a little bit. Where my abs at? Abs not found. Lightning round is found, though. 19 and 28, 100x and 50x. The winning number, 20, black. Fourth line section. Lockdown will do that to you. Yeah. Well, you guys, I was shocked yesterday. I was like, wait a second. It's already the 25th of March. Guys, it's almost April. Where was March? I don't know what happened to the month. Why you don't talk about chocolate? Chocolate. Pete, my friend. 12, 23, 35. Ladies and gentlemen, Zero Spiel was on section 15. Black was previously a cold number. Warmed it right up. That's our welcome. Relic, by the way, I saw what you said about the... Who was it? Italy was out of the qualifiers somewhere. Man, sports happening. I'm still clueless about sports. So that's why you grabbed the non qualificazione pizza. Huh? Italians, are you here, guys? How are you feeling? Italians maybe don't want to talk anymore. 119 and 30. Ladies and gentlemen, this round's winning number 18, red. Is it the sweet 18? Let's see, 1,258 points. Well, for the top winners, might be sweet. Compliments to all. Bets are welcome. Few more seconds, few more minutes with me. Few more seconds, guys. 3, 2, 1, I'm out. No, not yet. Here we go again. Yes, European champion Italy are out. Oh my. So 2022 be wildin', huh? It's still wildin'. 7, 11, 22. All three with 50x. The winning number 17, black. It's an offline. Nice. Simple question. Where's the lightning? Yes, got it. Good job, Taz. Where's the lightning? Last 10 games, 8 black numbers. Haven't seen zero in a bit. We need some lightning action before I leave you. Come on. Come on. Where's my good night's sleep lightning win? Where's my sweet dream 500x? 3 lightnings. 9, 16, 34. 300x for 9. Instead, we see another 10. That 10 keeps popping. Guys, 1,406 winners with the hottest number 10. That's our welcome. Imagine 2021 Italy won football and song contest, and now, well, they've been winning too much, I guess. They've been winning too much. Italians, stop winning right now. No. Here you can take all the wins, Italians, but I guess not in football. I guess. 3 and 26, 200x, 150x. 21. Was cold. It's not anymore. 1200 win is 19,000. Hey, yeah. Top one. Welcome to placing your bets. Straight ups for lightnings. Really desperately waiting for my last goodbyes on lightnings, but my time's running out. That's it, I'm out, Stazzy says. Oh, Stazzy kindly waited for my session to end. He's like, okay, Archie's leaving, I'm leaving. Ciao. Let's go, 3 lights. 31, 34, 36. 100x for 36. They say 20, never too many. 20 black is back. Thank you guys. Loris, yeah, well, that means I'm gone. Have a good night. Find the lights.
Have a nice night. Bye. Hello, everyone. My name's Laura, and I will now be with you. Lebanon to the
This is my last session, my last few rounds at you, and then I'm leaving you all. And I'm gonna be back tomorrow.
And we're opening the session with 36 red. That's a high and even number from the third dozen. Yeah, congratulations to all the 1,283 winners. You're welcome to again try your luck. I wish you a very successful session. Where's the other Laura? It's me. What do you mean another Laura? It's me. It's closed. Hello. Thank you, Eddie. It's going great. How is it going for you? Friday night, everybody. 979 lucky players on 36 red with 100x. And the ball lands on 18 red. Whoa. Oh, that was a high, sorry, a low and even number from the second. Doesn't enjoy winnings, but it's time now. Love your sarcastic way, cutthroat. Sal, I'm not sarcastic. I'm not witty. I'm just normal, but it's close. Hi. First time from Latvia. Where are you coming from? Everybody, I hope this is also a very nice round now. Now we start with C. So 22, 33, 35, 50x per all of them. And we get a 7 red. That's a low and odd number from the first column. Also one of the coldest numbers, huh? Also, yeah, I hope you don't hear any sounds. We'll fix that. Let's just continue bidding time. Don't forget you can put the game on autoplay mode. And then you can be like, yay! It's closed. Your bets will be placed for you. Looking absolutely stunning today, Laura. Oh, you mean absolutely tired? Hello, it's College Cheese. 11, 36, 300x, 200x. And in this round, the winning number is 4 black. That's an even a low number from the first column. First, a dozen. Congratulations to all the winners. 1,251 of you. BBC, TY, Talal, you're the top winners. Betting 10. Thank you, John. Thank you, and I'm glad that I'm kind of lucky for you. That's really good. Now the betting time is over, so let's go. Oh, hello, BCO. Nosa. Hello. Welcome to Lightning Roulette, everybody. So 0, 13, 17, 50x is 100x. Yeah, someone is salty? I don't think so. The winning number, ladies and gentlemen, is a high and odd number from the cold numbers list, 35 black. That's a high and odd number. Lol. Enjoy your winnings betting time now. Love your hair something. Wait, you love my hair something? Wait, what do you mean by that? But it seems like my hair now is kind of dark, no? I don't know. Who cares, yeah? Daddy, chill. Yeah, stop calling me Daddy. 8, 20, 34, 100x, 100x, 100x. Whoop! Ladies and gentlemen, the winning number is a 50. Is a 15 black, you guys. I use an article, indefinite article. That's an odd and low number from the second dozen. Congratulations to all the winners. Hey. Over 19,000 euros for you. Amazing, you guys. Best of luck in the round. Betting time's over. All right, Belle. Welcome here, Gomez Belle. Happy Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. And thank you for calling me Laura. Yes, exactly. 31, 33, 300x, 200x. Woo! And the winning number, ladies and gentlemen, is a 20 black. That is a high and even number from the Urpilin section. Also, 20 black is one of the hottest numbers. Yes, congratulations to all the over 1,400 winners. Betting time. In the last 4 rounds, all the numbers were black numbers now. So black color now is taking over. Let's see what happens next. Let's close. Remember, lightning strikes only numbers. Hi, madam. Hello, crazy time. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the... Wait, I almost said that. Lightning roulette. 18, 25, 50x, and then 150x. And in this round, the winning number is 8 black. Statistics are being kept up, yes. Even a low number from the first dozen. Congratulations, you guys. Enjoy betting time. Also, oh, you are on the video chat now. A good time. Gomez Bell, are you playing poker with your friends? Also, it was nice to see also it's 2 BCO. And have I seen Drazo? No, I have not seen Drazo today, but yesterday, yeah. He joined in for a bit. 5, 6 to 13, 50, 100, 200x. And yes, the winning number is 22 black. That is a high and even number from the second dozen. Also, one of the coldest numbers betting time now. Let me just tell you the hot numbers because we love the hot numbers. All of them are black. 10, 20, 31, 6, and 24. These are the most frequent winning numbers according to last 500 spins. That's closed. Laura, please, black, thank you so much. Music time, let's see where the lightning takes us. So, 3 lights, 500x for 11 black. Ladies and gentlemen, the winning number is a high and even number 24 black from the second dozen tier section and the third column. Congratulations, sold exactly 1,300 winners. Enjoy, you guys, and yeah, now high and black numbers have been present for the past, let's say, 6 and plus rounds, mostly. So yeah, you're welcome, crazy time. It's closed. Oh, thank you for saying good things about my eyes. Thank you, PCO. I tried really hard today. 0, 27, 35. I'm sorry, I didn't, but still. Alright, everybody. In this round, the ball lands on a 4 black. That's an even